Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. My name's Anita, and today we're going to be talking about doing this for no reason. We want to go around and just be happy. Smile. Hashtag the word smile down below. Smiling and looking for something to make you happy raises your vibration and you will manifest much quicker and easier. Just smile for no reason. Just concentrate on little things during the day when you get off track. Just turn your thoughts to something that makes you happy. Maybe some animals, some kitty cats, some dogs, maybe a baby you like. The idea here is to be happy on purpose. At any given moment, look for something that makes you happy. You can even draw a focus wheel with just everything around it, lines to whatever makes you happy. If shopping makes you happy, or golfing makes you happy, or taking a walk or a hike, do those things. Think about those things. Make sure that they're at the forefront of your mind. And just do what makes you happy. I mean, really happy. Is eating an ice cream cone going to make you happy, or thinking about it? Just change your thoughts today on purpose to something happy. Put that smile on your face. Beautiful smile, and just feel the energy shift, the big energy shift in your mindset, that you'll be able to bring more things into your life to bring you beautiful things to be happy about. And that's the goal, to bring in as much as you can into your own existence, your own life, to feel happy about. But that's your assignment for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys. God loves you. God bless you all. You are deeply loved and appreciated. And remember to smile. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.